Python operators. Operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value that gets operated on is called an operand. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here, 2 and 3 are operands. The symbol plus is known as the operator. There are various types of operators used in Python. Some of them are listed here. Logical operators, arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Operator, meaning, example, addition, add two operands or unary plus x plus y. Subtraction, subtract right operand from the left or unary minus x minus y. Multiplication, multiply two operands x into y. Division, divide left operand by the right one, always results into float x by y. Modulus, remainder of the division of left operand by the right, remainder of x by y, x percentage of y. Float division, division that results into the whole number adjusted to the left in the number line, x slash slash y. Exponentiation or power operator, a type of multiplication where a value is multiplied with itself for a certain number of times, x into y. Assignment operators. Assignment operators is equal to are used to assign values to variables. It assigns values from the right side operands to the left side operands. Example, a is equal to 5. This is a statement assignment that assigns value 5 to the variable a on the left. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are the operators that compare the values on either side of the symbol. Depending on their operation, these checks if the two operands satisfy the given condition, then return either true or false based on the result.